Welcome to ATech. In this video I will tell you that how to turn off notifications of WhatsApp. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel for such an amazing videos. So let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. So now I will tell you that first I will send a message on my second number and you can see the notification on top. Now I will tell you that how to turn off these notifications. Now I will move to other WhatsApp and on top right corner you can see three dots. Here you can see settings option. In settings you can see notifications. So in notifications on top you can see conversation tones. You can turn it off. So after it you can see messages. It means individual messages. We will turn off notifications of individual messages. And now you can see groups. We will also turn off group notifications. So now I will again send message. And you can see there is no notification on top. I will again type a message. And you can see there is no notification on top. So in this way you can remove or turn off your notifications. Thanks for watching.